So once you engage with us for an official home loan, you've signed an offer to purchase, you've found a property that you'd like to purchase, and the seller has now agreed to your price that you are willing to offer, and all parties has now signed the offer to purchase document. I have now received the offer, your paperwork, your supporting documents, like I mentioned earlier, your payslips, your contract, your international banking statements, your passport copy, and our forms, and I've now submitted. From that submission date, you can expect to receive an answer within about 7 to 10 business days from the various banks, because there's a lengthier process of vetting involved behind the scenes with the banks and the various underwriting departments that we approach on your behalf. Once the application is approved and we present you with your approval to decide, okay, I'm happy with this now, I wish to proceed and go forward, the attorneys are then appointed to then draft your legal documents, and once you sign that process can take about 2 to 3 months from the time of the attorneys being appointed to you taking transfer of the property. So that's in totality, the process from A to Z, so to speak. The final question I have here is fees and closing costs. What additional fees or costs should I anticipate for an international transaction? So with regards to our costs, there is no fee to make use of our consultancy service. We provide for you, we work as intermediaries on behalf of the major banks. They will then subsidize the cost on your behalf and pay us a set fee once you take ownership of the property. With regards to the costs involved and fees involved with purchasing a property, there are transfer attorney fees and there are bond registration costs involved. So there's a transfer attorney that will transfer the property from the seller's name over to your name. And there is a legal conveyancing process involved there, and there are costs involved. This is all based upon the purchase price that you are buying the property for. Then we have a bond attorney, a mortgage attorney, conveyancing attorney that's appointed by the specific bank that we've opted to go with for the home loan. They will then draft the necessary paperwork on behalf of the bank, have you sign and walk you through that registration process. There is a conveyancing fee involved for bond registration.